Hi guys. Hi amazing people. My name is Nancy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for the support. If you're new here, my name is Nancy. Karibu sana to this channel. I officially welcome you to this channel because you guys are amazing. And today guys, sorry for the returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for always coming back to support my channel, to like and to share. Thank you guys. On today's video, my loves, we are giving nature or adventure a chance. Today guys, on this part of the world, let me tell you, this is we can call it Kefis. It's on the other side of the Nakuru military camp. It's on that side. So welcome to this amazing channel guys. Today we are taking a nature walk. We are exploring the place. It's very peaceful. There's a lot of trees, there's a lot of forest. We are here with my brother. He's there with his bike. I always come with him to this place. You know, he's my friend. Yeah, and we do a lot of chatting, we laugh, we are free with each other. So normally we like come with him to this place. The river is overflowing. You can see there's a lot of water. There's a river here. Let us give it a look. So going to that way, it will lead you to the mountains. And yeah, just by sitting here, it can be very therapeutic. Very, and there's a lot of trees on this side of the world. Nakuru, Kenya. Welcome to this channel. I officially welcome you to this channel. Yes. Leo. Oh. Mingi. Guys, this is Mbaroko River. It's the river that connects I think so Lake Naivasha to, it goes to Dondori Mountains, the Dondori Mountain. Yeah? Guys, say hi. Say my hi guys.
Hi guys.
Guys, that's my brother. We are with him here. Hey, hapo mtu anakaa kuslide. Hebu songa.
Na kamera ipo.
Hapa utaanguka.
Yes.
So guys, I want to be able to go to the other side. Today we are not swimming, today we are not doing laundry, we are just here for nature and walk. This is a very peaceful place we usually come to. The river is flowing to that side. It's coming from the mountains up there. So yeah, this is River Mbaroko. The other time, go to my videos, I was swimming there. It's very refreshing, but today it's a lot because it rained a lot yesterday and it is very loud because the flow of the water is on high pressure. Let my brother show you that part. I won't be able to go. I don't want to slide. Now chunge usianguke. So guys, you've seen it's a very water with high pressure. So we've left the bike there. We want to follow the river. So we will be going through the path to the other side. We will meet the river on the other side. So let's go, guys, and I'm going to take you. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you share my videos, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome to this part of Nakuru, Kenya. Guys, if I could record. Guys, I could not record. They were officers, military. Naitwa aje mapolisi? KDF, Kenya Defense Forces. They were passing here. I could not record. Ikienda wapi? This was a tarmac road. So today, guys, let us give nature a chance. Alright. Wako wapi? So those are the mountains, like Nakuru mountains. Yeah. Oh. You don't want to record them. I don't want cases because of the recording. The Kenya Defense Forces, it's not allowed. If you record, they tell you to delete that video. Don't know why. And this is the ambulance in case someone injures his or him or herself. It's an ambulance. Kona goja ni mrecord aanze kesi. Not today. Sinishai wa record. Uko home nikilima tukiwa na Jonte. Nikawaona. Nikatoka mbio nikawa record. Mkubwa alikuja. Toa hiyo kitu. Vuta hiyo yote. Nikamwambia sija record. I said delete that. Delete mbio na alikuwa na kikiboko.
Wanakuwa serious. Serious.
Guys, that's a bike. We've come with it in case we are tired. It's a black mamba. We call it black mamba here. And there are other types that are called mountain bikes. And yeah, guys, this place is so peaceful, so quiet. You can literally do anything if you want to relax your mind. If you want to take your time, this is the place. Today the skies are a bit friendly, but they will be raining soon in the evening. Yeah, and there's a lot of plantations here. They've planted beans. These ones are beans. They're growing. So basically there's a lot of forests here. And they think so there was a tarmac road here cause nani ya so ulisema ulifika huko Lawi, he's called Lawi. So if I'll be saying that a lot, he's called Lawi. He has ever gone to that part of the mountain, and he has told me there's a lot of horses there. I wish I could go to that part. Ama twende huko juu. There's a lot. Huku ni wapi mpaka kuna choro hivi? Oh, agriculture. The Kenya Agriculture and Livestock Research Organization. Wow. Guys, there's an organization here. An agricultural ones. Wow, they've shaped these flowers to names. You see? Imeandikwa aje beef research. There's a B, E, E, F, and the other one is research. Nakaa poa. Sasa uko ndani kuna nini? Uko ndani kuna nini? Oh, ng'ombe. Kuchinjwa. Oh. Mtu anaweza ingia? Oh. Sawa, asante. They have said, guys, the livestock are grazing on the upper parts of the mountains. Shapings of the name, agricultural livestock. Wish I could zoom that. Yeah. There's a huge, inaitwaje cactus? Inaitwaje? Cactus. Sisal. Kai, ni kubwa. Guys, have you ever seen such a huge sisal? This one is colorful. This one is colorful. This one is huge. It's a huge sisal full of cobwebs. Don't want to touch that. That's full of cobwebs. Yeah. So there are no cows for now, so they slaughter cows. So basically that's what they do there. Agricultural, they don't know what. And then there's this Kefis. It's an estate, I think so. It's an estate. There's a guard house there. Watchman stays, and that's the mountains. The Kefis mountains. Mm. $73 acres. They have named it Block 1. 73 acres. I don't know what they keep in that house. That's 7.3 acres of land there. Twende. Tukienda hivyo tutarudi hivyo. Ale tupande. Lakini inakaa karibu, ni mbali.
Unaweza fanya hivyo tupeane site.
Tuko huko juu kurudi bala. Kurudi. Na bike kwanza inakuleta mbio. But guys, someone I never even imagined there's a place like this that still exists. This place looks amazing. People are still buying lands to stay. People are still buying, so most of the parts are. This one is cutting grass for his sheep or cows using tunaita kangeri. So yeah. So guys, people are still buying land on these parts of Baroko. If you go that way, it leads to Mashini, a town or a small area called Mashini. Wapi? Huko.
Kuna kaa Nyeri.
Nyeri.
Shamba zinakaa.
Twende, kamera inaisha moto. Guys, I've come across a very beautiful tree. It's very pretty. It's like maroonish. Can't explain this color. Guy, you know, it has like whitish, milky like. Na inashika hiyo nini, it's very sticky, that white substance. This tree is beautiful. It's very pretty. There's another one there. And this one has no leaves. Eh? We have just discovered that Kefis is a company. Nakuru Regional Office. Kefis. It's a Kenya Plant Health Inspector Service. We were thinking it's a estate. Today we are learning a lot. So they deal with plant inspections. I think so. There's like something cutting tree. That thing that's sounding so loud. This tree is huge. It's cutting grass, not cutting trees. That's a grass. In a cut grass. This tarmac road is still leading us to somewhere. To a forest there. There's a forest, that one. So there's a transformer here. It's an electricity transformer. Guys, this is so amazing. ADC Lanet feed lot. I could think so, guys. The government has separated like a lot of farming companies into these parts of the area. It's because there's a lot of land here to experiment, and it's away from people in case of any dangerous stuff going on in there. So we are just discovering a lot. You have seen Kefis, you have seen the other company up there called Agricultural Livestock. Now this one is for feeding. IDC Lanet Feedlot. This is prevention area. Please respect farm biosafety. What's that? There's a policy here that you should respect. Don't know what. Tuingilie hapa. Hapa. Shika mto. Lanet Feedlot. That's a security house. Na kuna kanini pale, swamp. Kuna swamp pale. Mambo. Tuingie kwa forest tupake ile side ingine. Si nini tu. Twende. Twende. Nini iko huko? Kuja nichukue thumbnail. Sini forest tu. Twende, nimenyamaza, twende. Sio tokea side ingine. Yuki kuja usiku. Don't know where this forest is leading to. Guys, we found the other part where I was telling you. This is a Masai Shuka. Yeah! Guys, this is so amazing. Kuna njia? Twende hivyo? Kuko na nini? Guys, we followed the river up to this part. Kuja nichukue thumbnail. Guys, let me take a thumbnail from here. It looks amazing. Acha nikae pale. Guys, let us dip our feet inside.
Oh, ni kurekod. Na pale ni padi. Pale pale ilikuwa ni rudi nyuma. Pale. Padi. Ndio simu. Niko.
Guys, we are enjoying and my camera is almost shutting down. So that was an amazing video. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you follow. See you on the next video, guys. Bye. Let us just sit here, then we are going to go back where we have come from. So yeah, let us enjoy the nature, then we can end the video here. Bye guys. Guys, this is how far we have gone and it is raining. We have some kilometers to go, but the other side is sunny. How funny is it? So we are here, we are waiting for the rain to stop. Yeah.